Hi everyone, welcome to the Massive Truths to Sophie Universe. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May He open that beautiful side of yours to see and understand from my own point of view. Today, I'll be saying whatever I'm about to say in my beautiful second dialect, Pidgin English, the area I'm comfortable in, the area where I'm not going to make fool out of myself, the area where it will be say, I'll fit talk to my brothers and sisters in a way that fit they understand wetin I dey try talk. The area where it be say, I not going to form wetin I not be. The area where it be say, I'll fit the ask question. The area where it be say, I not going to form phone. um, I want to talk about something when I still see for social media. Um, I just pray and I hope you see from where I'm coming from. I just pray you summon that good side in you to see. I just pray that good spirit, that gorgeous spirit will just visit you to understand and see where I from they see my own way of seeing things. I just hope and wish for the best. I just hope you try. Just see reason with me. I not say not true. I not say not lie. But all I'm asking is for you to summon that good side in you to see and understand what I'm about or what I'm trying to say. I want to talk about something when I still see for social media, something where me and you suppose change the way we they think about, something where me and you suppose remove from our head, something we suppose not even let our children they aware of. Now I want to talk about today. I believe and I know some parts in me that tell me say I will offend some people. No problem. If you take say na offense, but please before you crucify me, make sure make sure now you with your right senses they crucify me. Make sure say now you, after you don't listen, after you don't hear wetin I want talk, make sure say no be out of anger, no be out of abeg this girl not fine reach, or abeg this girl dey seek attention. Leave those ones aside. Just reason with your head, just summon that good side, just see say na change na me and you want, what we dey cry for. I see something for social media. I know they like to call people name when I see something for social media, but I will call name today for this one we want to talk about because it concern me, it concern you, it concern anybody wey don't be woman, it concern mother nature. I watched this woman program. Madam, mommy, you reach to born me, you reach to born me, and I respect and I admire you for speaking out, for letting people know the way you think. Who no talk come out, you no fit know wetin dey in mind. Kudos to you, madam. I really appreciate you. If not, I for no fit come out with this topic today. I know they talk about any other person. This beautiful woman, Mrs. Okpaika. I love, I love her. I love the way she talks. I love the way she encourages people. And I still love the way she take talk for this video. I not come here, come criticize her. I not come here, come nail her. I not come here to say no, make everybody come against her. No, that is not what I'm here for. Not be waiting I come here, come do. I just want make my brothers and sisters, African continent, make una just see from where I from the see this thing what she talked about. She talked about our own personal life. She talked about our sister. She talked about I'm sorry for the lost madam. She talked about her brother, sister we married to somebody where the man daughter come dey sick for her rights. Then I will still talk the all this whole story, this whole thing I want to talk about. I'm not saying she's an I know they won't try talk say she be hypocrite woman, no. But I want to talk about hypocrisy generally. Hypocrisy generally. You see, wetin dey worry us as Africans na hypocrisy. Na we no wan change how we take dey talk, how we take dey think. We no wan see from other people pain. We just dey think for only ourselves. Na be problem we get today. Hypocrisy. Before I go into hypocrisy, more gotta see wetin hypocrisy wey all of us dey sing. Hypocrite, hypocrite. Wetin hypocrisy mean? He said, I'll leave them for screen. Make you read them by yourself, but I won't read them for my brothers and sisters wey be like me. Now me and you wey just be like me. Now I need this all this explanation plain and simple, so that we fit to change the way we take dey think, so that we know we fit to pull our neighbors down, so that love can reign. So that love can reign. Hypocrisy, the definition of hypocrisy, a situation in which someone pretends to believe something that they do not really believe, or that is the opposite of what they do or say. I'm not saying this my beautiful lady. I know they talk say this my beautiful lady, Mrs. Okpaika, now hypocrite woman. That is not what I'm trying to say. Not be waiting I dey try one bring out, and not be I just hope you understand. Say not be I don't want gender war. I just want make we dey correct ourselves when we see something where they are normal. When we see something we go destroy the world, when we see something where they destroy humanity, make we just put small lights into am. Now make me want to talk about this thing. Hypocrisy now waiting they kill us for Africa. Waiting we not be what they want show people say we be. We dey always the feel for ourselves. We not the feel for another person. We not the think for another person. Then gender war. Then tribalism. They kill us as race. It dey happen everywhere. But especially they talk about my beautiful continent, Africa. My beautiful continent, Africa, because we are still babies. Because we still dey primitive. Because we know the think normal. hypocrisy. Hypocrisy don't eat us so they we go dey talk something. At the same time, I know they exclude myself, even me as an African girl, the same thing goes to me. We go dey do something because for that moment, that thing go help us, we go do am. But if we see say another person do am, it go be who? It go be it go be how dare you? But you just did it. You do am, you get excuse to take back up your own. Why you no come think? Say that person wey do the same thing wey you do still get explanation. Why we Africans no dey think like that? Oyibo, as we dey call am, they still dey do like that. It happens all over the place. It happens, but in my dialect it says Ewoma auna meroji. I want this change for my people. I want this change in my mother's land. I want us to change our mindsets. Wetin not good for you, not think am say good for your neighbor. This thing where Mrs. Okpaika talk, Mrs. Okpaika, I don't hate you, and I don't want anybody to hate you. I just want to give my own opinion as a Benin girl. I am a proud Benin. I am a proud Benin. I am blessed. I did blessed to have come from a royal land. I am blessed. Because you send this message to all the Benin women, now make me on my camera. I don't hate you. And I beg everybody to be mature. I beg everybody to be mature because everybody know they think the same. Not to hate her. They say where person no rich. Now there, the person they talk rich. She not be my generation. She reached to born me. They say if you born Pikin, Pikin will come born you. Now waiting Mrs. Okpaika parents put into her, now she pour out. And other people come they call in her program. They say that what she they talk, they right. What did she talk about? She talk about her sister husband die, and after 2 days or a day we die, the daughter come house say may they share property, and she was pissed, and she come dey very upset. She come dey vex, say why that man, our sister husband daughter, will come from her husband house come dey drag property. Say Benin people, Benin women too like to dey drag property. And the way she take talk now she take their mind, but she forget say not be as she take dey think, not be so everybody take dey think. The way me take reason now, I reason now personally, to me as an insult to women's parts. Madam, I no want to know where you from come from Africa. I no want to know where you from come from Edo State. For the fact say you come from Nigeria, you are my sister. For the fact say you be woman, you get this love inside you. Not be only person, not be only Pikin where you born be your Pikin. If you wrong, my mommy, I believe say your daughter will tell you say you did wrong. Now make me come out and tell you say you spite on my face. You spite on all the Benin women's face. Mommy, maybe not be so you tell reason now. Maybe you not be waiting you think. You say you come give this women, come give Benin women. Now because of Benin women you come. Nobody should take that video. May anybody not take that video personal. Now waiting she hear. Now waiting she don't see. And now waiting she grow up with. All all Benin women don't give a shit, don't give a hook. They don't care about their father or their mother property, especially women. Not because we don't know say our rights, but because we feel say we fit make am, a bad step, na bad move, na bad thinking, na wetin they don put for our head, na make me on my camera. As a woman, they're not supposed deprive you of anything of your parents because you be woman. And my mother one come talk, she said God will make that girl woman, no say e no deserve anything from e papa, na God make am woman. Mommy, I don't want to be emotional. I don't want to. I just to control myself. I don't want to talk with you. I'm not supposed to talk. As a woman, as a mother, mommy, you're not supposed to talk that thing. You're not supposed to fly out of your mouth. God not creates us to be slaves. If you as a woman say you not fit go house, go follow your senior brother drag property, you just dey talk say you not be that your papa daughter. Wetin I expect from you, wetin I expect from this my beautiful mother, she come from Western world. Experience wey you carry come from Western world, why you not possess am for your people body? Why you not make your people see the bright side of life? Say women are not toys. The woman asks for her rights as a child, even if say she dey for husband house, even if say she don old. Madam, where you from dey come? Where you from go our home? Even though na girl be last born, the parents will share the property equally. Even if say na spoon they get, it must reach the girl hand. Not be the same papa born them. Wetin we do as a woman wey we not deserve our family, our parents things as our brothers deserve them? You say the woman come from husband house on the drag property. What if the man does still marry? Not be woman house if from come drag property. What are we not getting? What is wrong with us? Why do we take ourselves as women as third class citizens? Why we dey take ourselves as slaves? I purposely want to talk about this thing, and I purposely want to mention this my sweet mother name, because I watched one of her video when she said she was once married to another culture, as we dey call them Oyibo. The way they behave different from the way we they behave. Some still the way they behave exactly as we they behave as Africans. You know, get as it be make Oyibo now come say because I be woman, they no go give me wetin reach my body because I be woman. Does it really make sense? Okay, what if all the daughters, all the child wey get na female, they'll go give orphanage because na children born? Why do we see ourselves as slaves? Why do we encourage people to be slaves? Mommy, my question personally to you, Mrs. Okpaika, as a mother, right will or not right will you be happy when you don't get gray hair, when you don't reach the time when the good spirit say call you, may you come home? Will you be happy to see say your own daughter pikin wey you born, pikin wey do for you, now first pikin? Now that pikin you born where you don't get anything, that pikin I drink garri with you, that pikin I they follow you go the hawk before you come make am. That pikin I know whether you will eat or you not go eat. Will you be happy as a mother Say you don't go join the ancestors. You don't go join the spirit world. Say that's your daughter. They deprive her of her rights because she just be woman. Will you be happy? I don't think so. I don't think so. Then, madam, you carry mouth past this person. Go curse her husband. Say her husband is very useless. How you go come in-law house? Come they measure property wey reach her hand. Because your sister born boy make the first children inferior. According to the same you, madam, you say make children use their hand do something. But if papa and mama see they do something together, may they write their name, write their children's name for the will. So what are we not getting? If papa and mama write will and they write the children name put, they go only write the male children put, the male kids put, they're not going to put the female. Is that what you are telling them? What is the message you are giving to us as children? What will be the message where they give the upcoming women? What will be the message where they give the next generation as female, as a mother? As a mother, say they don't deserve anything will come from their parents. Benin women. I made one of my episodes. I made video, and you talk about too. You talk about this this boy, Lucky Osagale, where killed that Italian girl. I never said Ishan. I called him my brother because he is my brother. Mo will stop this tribalism war. Mo will stop this war where we don't know. Maybe madam, you know wetin cause the quarrel between Benin and Ishan. As me dey here, my generation don't know. Maybe you know, I don't know. And na your maths, I for here say that they call Benin people waka waka. I don't know before. But why don't we just let the sleeping dogs lie? Why we not forget things, mistake where our forefathers don't make? If we really want this change, what will they talk about? I call them my brothers because they are my brothers. Any African person is my brother, is my sister. Stop this hate. May we stop this. You be Hausa, you be Ghana, you be Igbo, you be Yoruba, you be Benin, you be Ishan. Make we stop am. My generation of build house today. Fine, yes, that raises the another raises want more purge out. My generation of build house today. May they put say Ishan is not allowed. We shouldn't remember the bad things. We should remember the good things, because the bad things will happen. We don't know what's in cause them. We don't know the problem where they get. As a mother we come from Western world, we don't get experience from other land, other culture. You need to call this girl to make peace with your sister, not to come crucify her. It's her right as a daughter to get something from her father. It's her right as a child, as that male child gets 50% blood of your papa. Now so the female girl, now so the female child gets some. So what is our problem? Tradition, where they spoil things, is that tradition? Why can't us make our own tradition? That tradition, they cause war, they cause pain, they cause calamity. Why will still repeat them? So you know, if you go join your brother, go they drag property, you don't need to drag. You just need to apply wisdom. You just need to make them know, say, no, it's my right. It's my right. It happen everywhere. Even Oyibo, they fight for their parents' property. Not be saying only Benin people. It happen for Ishan. If we say more talk like that, just because you never see them, not me say no they happen. You know if you tell me say as all as big as Ishan land, say one not there. Where the woman, when the women wake up, say no, it's my right. Una supposed give me something. Even as at that, the ones who are not agree, do you know the kind heavy heart where they get? Do you know the kind hate where our forefather creates? Do you know say that thing what you say that they do for Ishan land don't make family scatter? Madam, as you don't go Western world, you supposed to bring us back what you learn for Western world, not be waiting your forefathers teach you, not be waiting your founders, not be waiting your papa, your mama tell you. I was so upset. I was so upset. Say, mother, go fit educate people in that manner. You be so tribalism. Mom will stop all these tribalistic things. Whether not tribalistic, whether not tribalism, anything. This you be Igbo, you be Hausa, you be Chekiri, you will stop them. It's not helping us. If they kill us, you know they make us grow. E get wetin you wan talk. Was my generation there? No. How long we go start to the how long we will continue to dey pay for the evil work of our ancestors? How long will our generation pay for things we know nothing about? How long? If you see wetin not good, just say it generally. Not talk say now this place for dey happen. Bad things happens everywhere. I no fit talk now say those my brothers wey killed that Italian girl, say they are not my brothers again because they be Ishan. Neither I will talk say all Ishans are killers. No. Even Italian person carry gun go still kill African people. Will I say all Italians are bad? I no go fit talk am. You must see bad egg for any country where you go. Name me one country, one tribe, tell me one tribe for this world, group of people where you know will see bad person inside. Then I will show you more than half of different culture we get bad people. I'll show you 98%. So must stop to dey classify everybody to be the same. I am a proud Benin girl. And I will still use this mistake tell my brothers and sisters we're going to type in that program. I am a proud Benin. And I don't see Benin person where enrich a papa house. But he give am to the younger ones because he know say they don't get. I don't see for my family, my auntie enrich my grandmom house, but she give am to her last born because she get her own. E no mean say everybody go be like her. E no mean say everybody dey nice like that. E no mean say na she good pass as well. You don't classify everybody. You say Uromi na Uromi. What did they call them? Ewoimi na Ewoimi. Do you know Benin still get Benin? Iyokoriomo na Iyokoriomo. Nwode na Nwode. You for ask that woman where she come from Benin. You don't say you're talking to all the Benin women. You don't say such things. Even as at that, if you ask the woman where you from come, the woman tell you, not be that group, not be that tribe, not be all of them be like that. Ask them which family be for inside. After she does tell you the family, not be all the siblings be like her. You for use her name to sing. I know if you talk now say all Ishans are killers because they are not. It's still Benin people still they kill. As Oyibo they kill. As Ghana people they kill. As I'm not saying it's right. I'm just saying May we forget these hates. May we stop to dey remember things where they destroy us. May we forget these things where we don't know how it take come about, where we dey suffer. Madam, you don't say things like that. You don't tell women to forget their birthrights. You getting spoon from your papa or your mama, na your birthrights. Na your birthrights. Madam, I beg. Madam, I beg. I beg you. I beg you. I understand that now you take grow. I understand that as they take teach you. But madam, as you come from abroad, you're supposed to throw away those things. Because those things now evil things where our forefathers don't plant, where they destroy your pikin and me. Because madam, you not be my mates. They destroy your pikin. You write will, you know, and if you write will, you go exclude your daughter? No. Wetin you for do? Now to bring those two people together, your sister and that man, daughter, give them the experience where you bring come from Europe. Money not be anything. It gets other things wey pass money. Now the hates wey dey inside us, now make that girl not like that your sister. Simply because na Ishan, nobody, no pikin they happy. No pikin they happy. Say, if papa they go out with another woman, that's child na im mama. So the jealousy will not be on the child. So now the jealousy they ask to your sister. That is what you should make them understand. That is what you should have made them understand as you come from Western world, madam. Not be say you can't tell us everybody trust what you fit do. No, you they put fuel inside fuel, and it's not called for. We need peace, we need love, we need harmony in Africa, especially Edo states. Your video turned to war ground. It turned to Igbo come they say no Benin people, Yoruba people, Ishan people. It's not called for. Ishan people, not do you bad. I don't go out with Ishan person. You know me say na e character, no me say na so all Ishan people be. I don't go out with Benin person. You know me say all Benin person, the one I go out with, all of them are the same. I know the kind of character where I get from Ishan person. You know me say that they wicked or heartless. I don't think classify everybody to be the same. If you start to classify everybody to be the same, there is something wrong with you. With all due respect. I just talk generally. This is what they call hypocrisy. Hypocrisy. If you talk, say, make papa and mama the right way for grand, and you still attach, say, make they put their pikin name put. What it come they wrong for that first daughter to ask for her own share? Then her husband, you say na chief, you insulted my royal. Madam, you offend me personally as a woman, as a Benin girl. You offend me personally. You know if you insult my royal home like that, because that man we call it a chief, he dey try bring change. He know say people like you, tiger like you, we not understand. Say he wife bet right to get at least spoon from a papa. If follow and come, you should have encouraged that man to take that good news to the palace, to teach other men, say women are important as well as you take born man. Now so you take born woman. This not give woman anything. Now firstborn, now they collect everything. Do you think say na love our fathers, our mothers put for that family? Do you think say that they happy to see the hate wey they create for ground before they die? Bill Gates, as rich as he is, he know dey happen for only Africa. He know say if he die, his children go fight for his property. He don't give them their own property. Who like he don't give them what he want give them. First and foremost, what he give them na education. Then he give them share wey come from his own mind to take give them. Then he tell the world say if he die, all the wealth wey he get is going to the less privileged. Why you think say Bill Gates do that thing? Because he know the children, the evil spirit will enter the children and start fighting themselves because of money, because that money is evil. Not be say he gets the money for evil way. I'm trying to say money itself is evil. He no want cause problem for a family. He no want cause problem. He no want cause hate for grand before he come out. The children already knew. The children know. Say any words where their papa get now, no one they come to them because they already has theirs. He don't give them. He don't give them. What you need to do now to call your sister and this girl, make peace as an elderly woman, as a woman with this golden heart. Sometimes if you dey talk, madam, I dey love the way you dey talk, but please, madam, this one is the second time where I don't watch your video when I dey upset personally. The first time you say it dey normal for man to dey beat your wife, say your husband dey beat you. Madam, is not normal. Is not absolutely normal, because when you love somebody, you not fit rub your face too hard. You go rub bands that they rub flour. If you rub flour too much, you will die. You know what I mean? That flour die. You go rub them small. You dey fight with your husband, not be waiting you go teach children, because children are waking up and growing faster. You are a role model to somebody. You don't know. Say I dey watch your program before. I love your program. I love watching your program. Now, so some children still love to watch your program. But are you a good role model? You weaken my spirit as a woman. Say I don't deserve anything from my parents because I be woman. God make me a woman, not to get anything from my parents. Is oh Lord. I no expect them. I no expect them. Because now your sister, now make you take that position. If that girl, let's be sincere with ourselves. If that girl will come fight for property, now your sister, you go still fight for her. That is where hypocrisy comes in. You go talk, say, not Nancy, born boy, and so a born girl. That is where hypocrisy comes in. That is where hypocrisy comes in. If you dey look and say, now your sister, he gets make children, his senior sister not fit, can't share anything, and you dey insult her husband, that is height of hypocrisy. You dey send message to the world, say women actually are nothing. Women don't deserve anything because they are just women. Because they are just women. It's really bad. May we stop this hates where our founders don't put for ground. We don't know what thing happen. We don't know what be the problem. We don't know why this tribalism thing don't turn war. We be all the same. Madam, you want come talk. You say Benin and Isha not be the same. You get where they for be the same. Madam, you are spreading hate. I never expected it from you. As a daughter, as a woman, as a Benin proud girl, I never expected it. Say you go discriminate this way. As a woman, woman deserve everything women deserve. Why not be say why not be say those egbe where you can't talk, madam? Why they not they talk say this woman and woman say because say a woman they not go give her money, make they not go cut money give her make she pay when her father die or when her mother die. Why be say that they cut money give her? Why that senior why that man wey wan inherit everything no do all the funeral more with the women you come dance? Why they go ask us money more we pay? And that husband will follow and come now go give am the money and you sit there they insult somebody husband. It's really bad. It's really bad. You send message to children for Africa say they should endure shit. You send message give women all over the world say we are nothing, say we commit crime to be woman. E no mean say you collect something say your birthright reach your hand say you no go dey hard working. No, you suppose bring that topic come take advise men and women make they stop to dey born for year stick to one wife. If they stick to one wife they write that will, it will be okay. No be say according to you too madam you say na so one of your brother get 5 house he get 5 wife. That 5 house no dey go to if all those 5 wives they born 5 children 3 children. Those houses they go to one inside one 9 is that right? That kind thing suppose that things na cause hate wey no gree finish. So now that things na cause I see my brother I no wan talk to am. That thing na cause brother go see sister he no go wan put am for house and he know say his sister no fit pay house rent. E no make person lazy but e make our first sons lazy. E make our men know say oh, after all if my papa and my mama die the house na my own. They no go work hard for anything. Look all African made child first child whether they dey hard working. No be say they no dey intelligent, no be say they no dey creative because they are reluctant. They know say the things wey their papa do, the things wey their mama do na their own. That is why I love the family I come from. They dey tell all the maid children say you need to work hard because anything when I get, even though na pants I'm selling it because as I born you man na so I born you woman. So all of us get them for head. That is what you wey go Western world suppose teach other people wey dey for Africa. Then see wetin my lovely women come dey write. I was shocked. I was weak in the spirit. I was like, oh, it go hard. It will take a very long time before we fit change our mentality. There are some certain things 50, 45 years not even suppose they talk again. Just overlook those things because we the new generation they see wetin una no dey see. They see the hate where our forefathers, our foremothers don't create for our family. So because something don't say, not make am right. Because you will not take it when it happened to you. Because it happened to somebody. Not make am right. Don't be quick. Not dey quick to the judge people. They always use and they rub your body. May you know whether it's fine. May you know whether it is sweet or it is pain. How you will suffer, follow your parents finish, say because the only sin where you commit, say you be woman. Not be say you not get your own things. But at least, if una give my brother, una still give me wey be sister. Now the same womb we follow come. Now the same papa, the same mama, na born us. So why do we like promoting evil? Why do we like saying, oh, now so our tradition talk, and that tradition is evil tradition. That tradition need blood. That tradition need you to hate. Good tradition go make you want love your own sister. Not go make you want pursue your sister come for house. If they even say they not go give your sister something, no, you will fight for your sister because You people grow up together. You need to correct those so-called okagbe wey need evil. Then ask question. Now wetin tradition really talk? Now wetin tradition really talk? Ask question. Ask the old ones. Old ones wey you know say get wisdom. I'm not saying old people not get wisdom, but there are some people that still think, wey they think with all those bronze things wey they put for our head. There are some people like that. Then somebody, I no go mention their name, say na she kill the man. Na she kill the man. Nah, it's obvious. You've just concluded. Because daughter go ask for her own birthright. She go ask, say Benin people like to be landlady. As you know, say Benin people like to be landlady, you need to educate them. Landlady is not be something where not good, but do your own. Do your own. As you don't go abroad, use things where you see for abroad. Teach your people home. Not be say you stand by waiting the mistake where your ancestors don't make. Now, woman, I write this thing. You don't conclude, you don't judge. And now these people will see you say they criticize pastors. They will tell you say, no, don't judge. Now this person don't automatically turn God where they say you not fit become. Now she kill him. Now she kill the man. It's obvious. What's obvious? Because she asks for her rights. Then another one asks. Another one say, woman for that matter. That is what kills me more. Women they craze. Not be blood not they flow for women body. Women not they hard working. Not be as the male child cry when the baffa enter house. Not be so the female child cry when the baffa enter house. Why do we like taking ourselves as third class citizens for our father's land? Why we like to deprive ourselves from waiting rightfully be our own? Because we be women. Una no dey say na woman, no make dem not cut money for you for burial, make you come pay. If you never marry, they no dey say you be woman, make you not come go tell your husband, make come marry you automatically. They no go say you be woman, make them not collect, even if you say you never marry, make them not collect that money one another man give you, chop. But if you don't wish to share property, they're going to say woman for that matter. These things why they write so now women write down. Woman for that matter. She can't carry tape, can't they measure where they give her. It is the hate, and that is what I expected my beautiful woman, my beautiful mother to uproot. That is what I expected. Nobody, no child, they happy, no they jealous for their mama, or not they jealous for their papa. Not they. The first time when your papa go bring another woman come house, if you say you know they jealous, you not be human being. Now that woman go tolerate you, go even they do things where your mama not they do. Now there you for constant see stepdaughter and stepmother, or stepson and stepmother, they very close past the biological mother, because that woman has a golden heart. Not be all mother get this golden heart. When the woman and the nagging type, because you know what, understand that speaking, oh this speaking no you like me, this speaking they do like winch, that woman go to hate the picking, and the picking go to hate the woman the more, and you can't grow with that hate. How do you expect that kind of hate to just go like that? What thing I expect from this woman now to bring the two people together? They are women. We got this love inside us. Make them understand. Make them understand that woman don't marry. You know, as some men tell the lie. Make her understand. Say, not be this woman fault. She just love your father. To love is not a crime. If they say they not even give that girl something, you will come from Western world, need to open their eyes, say no, my sister, don't they do like that? As you born man, now so the other woman born this speaking. May you see whether love not will come that home. May you see whether that stepmother and that step daughter not will become best friend. You don't go there because you come from abroad, you want to show your swag. You they only put fuel, join fuel. You the only they make that senior daughter, they hate their own brothers. We don't know anything what their papa and their mama do. That is how our parents cause hate before they go. That's your sister, that's your husband, that's your sister husband, and see problem with cause for granted. You don't go now. But the first daughter and his sons can never be happy because of the hate where that senior girl get for her stepmother. Now because of you, now my papa drive my mama. Maybe her mama not get good character. Maybe her mama not dey nice. Maybe her mama still dey nice. Now papa just be the flirt type. If her papa na still the flirt type, I don't believe say he go end for that auntie sister body. Maybe now the woman not good. I don't know. As a woman, we don't still see life, we don't civilize. You need to bring change come house, not to tell women say God no. God will not want me to enrich property and I make them be woman. No. Because God wants make love many for this world. Now make can create women. Because he knows that we dey intelligent. He knows that we can guide our husband. He knows that we fit give our husband better advice. We go lead them to success. Now make can create us. Not be said because he no want more enrich property. No. Not be said because he no want more get our full rights as human being. You need to teach people because you inherit property, no suppose make you dey lazy. Some of our people are too lazy because they just feel say house. I know many people, I know Isha and Bini people. We don't dey lazy. Say because their papa get 6 room where they want to inherit. If their papa die, they collect house rent for inside. That is their problem. That is their goal. That is their dream. They don't have any other dream. If I can even say our parents, maybe they sell their house, maybe they sell their property, maybe they enjoy them because now they are sweat before they die, so that maybe their children still work hard. I would have been happier. In fact, I would be happy. Because this problem is too much. It can't turn tribalism thing. Then another person can say she was okay. And the third one say she was indirectly confessing that she was the husband killer. Another one comes to say for Esan, now son get everything. How can you? Oh Jesus! These people are women, and it's breaking my heart. It's breaking my heart. You remove this thing from your head. Remove it. You are human being. As your papa te born that boy, now so he still born you. Our name as women don't go, it don't die because our founders, our forefathers don't make this mistake. Ask our children, what be their great grandmother name? They don't know. Ask some children, what be their own mama name? They don't know because it's not important. Because you know they're important for Africa, for Benin, for Edo State, for Nigeria as a whole. No, you get one place for Nigeria. I don't forget to whether na equal. I don't forget. I don't forget now. Woman now get pikin for Nigeria. Now only that girl that time my friend. I don't forget the tribe. Now woman now they get pikin for Nigeria. Only one. I will find out and I will write them out. For Benin, Edo State, Igbo, Yoruba, my brothers and sisters, women no count. And now we they carry these children for 9 months. Now we they know whether they go eat. Now we go know whether they go school. Now we go know whether they sick. Now we go carry them up and down. Now we go. It is hard before Papa go check whether pikin they sleep well. It is hard before Papa find out say if pikin body they hot. Now Mama they first find out of after all these things. We still they invalid. We not still they important. Does it really make sense? Now this one be the message what our Papa and our Mama send us, especially our Mama. Make we go bring the change come from abroad. Not say more they repeat the mistake where they don't fair do. For Esan land, now the first son gets everything. What happened to your siblings? What happened to your sisters? What happened to your brothers? What happened? How you will give everything to one pikin? That will not be war that they cause. That will not be evil. Is that not evil? Has somebody with the right sense, with straight face, type this kind of thing for Esan? Now son gets everything. Everything. Not be as he born that son. Not be so he born me will be woman. That's so he born me will be woman. Me we are beg. Me we are beg. Won't stop this hate. We don't know what is cause am. We don't know what's anything we cause am. Won't let am go. Me will be Jesus. Won't be that change what we want. As our Papa born man, and so he still born us will be woman. You as a woman, will you be happy? You as a woman, will you be happy? Stop being hypocrites. Look yourself properly well for mirror. Can you take it? Leave sin and greediness. Leave greediness as your rights. Now you suffer, follow your papa and your mama. Now you even help them build that house. Help them build that house in sense of when they wake up. When they wake up around 5 in the morning, they wake you up, make you go clear. Now they don't build the house. At the end of the day, they can't carry the house. Give the full family, give only one for inside. Where be the last born or where be the first son? Because in a first son, you not go do anything. Now king, now prince, you not go do anything. You will be woman. They say that they prepare you. I've said it before in one of my videos. That is the mistake our parents as where they don't make. Make we undo what they don't do. Make we undo one. Madam, you come from abroad. Mommy, I beg, not take this my message personal. Not take angry. Just see from where from the sea. Just understand. Just see, say your daughter, me, my daughter, a human being. They give me something from my papa, something, not making me inferior, not making me how they put on. Or my husband leaves something for my female daughter, can be no, they go die or they not go agree. No, we should remove these things from our kids' head. Our kids they die. Our brothers and sisters they hate each other. It's not right. If they do for Ishan land, you wait there for abroad. Say no to it. I'm very happy. Say somebody from Benin City is waking up. He not come from abroad. I'm proud. I'm extremely proud to have come from a royal land, Benin City. I'm very proud. If you are not proud of where you are from, you shouldn't be proud to be a human being. Don't be proud because bad things happens everywhere. Anywhere where you claim say you be, bad things they happen for there. Prove to the world that there is good things can happen from where you come from. Anywhere they foresee good, they must see bad. So make the good big pass bad. Make we grow up. Make we dey matured. School sense, not be God sense. You dey speak good English, not make you get sense. Wetin you don't know, you don't know. Wetin you don't know, you don't know. Then another person say, please. He said, please, mama, not only Benin people. Somebody defended, say, now normal thing everywhere. So that is, it can't even start to, it can't be like war zone. I was like, this is not what my mama, this is not what somebody like my mother should be presenting. This is hate, platform of hate. No, we should say no to hate. May we say no to hate. Mommy, I beg, I just want talk your name. I know they like mention people name. I love you as a mother. I love you as a woman. I love you as human being. I love you as a sister. I love you as an auntie. But please, madam, please, we not be slave. Your daughter know what they happy. Your daughter know what they happy at all. Say your son enrich everything. Say your son enrich everything, you left her with nothing. Your daughter won't be happy. Not be say she not fit do, but because she dey feel inferior, she dey feel say you don't love her. She dey feel say you know they look her as pikin. Now that one they cause problem, hate, calamity. Then another beautiful golden heart. I must measure this person name. He say this person E-Gold. E-Gold na be her name. But mama, what if na woman? What if na woman senior? What if, like waiting I fit ask, what if say na that girl wey come just as you dey talk am now, that girl wey come na she be senior? She asked, but this my sweet mother did not reply her. That is where the hypocrisy comes in. Why I say na hypocrisy? I'm not saying how they put. I know they talk say you dey hypocrites, madam. You don't know. You don't know. As far as you don't be presenter. Everybody different. The way you take reason now, not be so everybody take reason now. Not be so. I reason am differently. I take am personal because you say Benin. You're sending this message to the Benin women. No, Benin women are gallant. We too gallant. We too basky. We too day. Not be saying I should bear mama fly. We too day. As Asian people day, as Igbo people day, as Yoruba people day. You will see some people because of tribalism war. Yoruba people do dirty, Igbo people too they do drug, Benin people too they do ashawo, Asian people too they do drug. Igbo people they do ashawo, as Nigeria people they do ashawo, as Benin people they do ashawo, as Asian people they do ashawo, as Italians they do ashawo, as Americans they do ashawo, as everybody for this planet they do ashawo. Yoruba people, as they talk and they're dirty. Benin people dirty. Oyibo, UK, Londonians, they're dirty. You cannot tell me say you know we go pass all of them, you know see who dirty inside. Americans, ooh, they're dirty there. Not be all. That is the problem. You cannot tell me because you are this racist, because you are this wicked, because of what people don't feel negative things when they feed you up with, then you just see all Benin say they like to do landlady. You just see all Benin, just all Benin, oh they too like to drag property. You don't say that. All Benin women, you don't say that, madam. As all Asian people, not be killers. Now so all Benin people, not be property draggers. You ask for your birthright. How it be say you dey drag property? If at the end of the day you can't confuse me personally with your video, so I not gonna understand whether not the sister, whether not the daughter, because we were just complicating it. Sometimes you go say the sister, sometimes you go say the daughter. If not the sister, e not deserve to even reach near am. Before the egbe, as you call them, give her a plot of land, now daughter, and she deserve it. She even deserve me to sell that house where your sister dey, make him and the brothers share the money, because now the same papa born them, the same papa now born them. Then another person say, no, mama, don't talk like that. Responsible Benin women don't fight for their father's property. Responsible or no responsible, it's your rights. Responsible or no responsible, if you are not fighting for your rights, your birthright, that is your birthright. If you not fight put, that even make you not responsible because you don't know yourself. Fight not mean say me you go carry cutlass and gun. No. Talk with wisdom. Draw and go court. They don't go jail am. They say person will carry matter go police station. Now want peace. What have I done? Only that question. What did I do? Say, una no fit give me anything. You know me say I don't get. You fit give me that thing. I fit just use am to do museum to remember my parents. I fit keep am to value them. May I still get something of my parents. Where could they remind me of them? Is that too hard? Is that too expensive to ask from my egbe, as they call it? Is that too expensive to ask from my own blood brother? Because they don't put this thing for my brother's head. Because if this thing truly and really they go on for ish and land, now bad thing. Now bad thing. You know they make brothers and sisters they together. You know they make them love themselves. You know they make them love themselves. Please, let's use our platform to promote love. Let's make the next generation a better generation. Let's send good message to our children and other people's children. How do you explain to kids? How you explain to new baby, new female daughter? Say no, God creates you to be woman. So as God creates you to be woman, He knows say you be woman. God, how did she put it? God knows say God will make you woman. Know why? He not made mistake. He don't want me you enrich your papa property. Now make you woman. That is not what you teach children. You dey kill that pikin dream. You know they make that pikin dey active. If my brother fit get something to remind them of my parents, why me not fit? And that child go look inferior. That child go look, oh God, why you not making me man? It's not good for anybody to ask God that question, because God will make you woman is not a stupid spirit. It's a very loving and a beautiful spirit. You as a woman, be happy say you be woman, because now you give birth to Jesus. You will be woman, be happy say you be woman, because you are just like Mother Earth. Without you, the men not get where to place their head. Encourage women. May we undo things where our forefathers don't do, where they destroy you and I, where they make us fight ourselves. May we stop this racist. May we stop this gender war. As Benin people, as they talk and say that they do ashawo, now so Isham they do ashawo, now so Igbo they do ashawo, now so Americans they do ashawo, now so Russia they do ashawo, now so Indians they do ashawo, now so Chinese they do ashawo. Not be waiting person one proud put, but it happen even for Bible ashawo day. So why do we classify some group to be no, we stop them. This one na racist. This one that they call hypocrisy. You get more than 2 girlfriends. Are you not a prostitute? You get more than 1 boyfriend. Are you not a prostitute? Look yourself in the mirror and ask yourself all these questions. You there for husband house, you marry black, you marry Igbo, you marry green, you marry purple. You still they come out, go they sleep with another person. Are you not a prostitute? Now only person wanna feel say they for street be prostitute. No, wake up. That is not it. When you not fit keep yourself for somebody where you claim say you love, you are a prostitute. When you they pretend to love somebody, you don't love the person, and you go to give that love to somebody else outside, you are a prostitute. You be big ashawo. You be big one, 91. Now you be. All depends on how you choose to use your hypocrisy. I hope I've been able to make my points. I beg, we wait there for abroad. Make we they give our brothers and sisters key, more they give them way to take see bright light, to take see things, to take know say this life not be as they think am, to take remove them from this course where our forefathers don't put them, to take see their sisters as them. Even if the egbes, the wicked and greedy egbe, the family members say no, as they do on tradition they come, may they give only our brothers, may we teach our brothers say this females, this your sisters, now your sisters, una play together from childhood, una love una self, una play mambaba together, una sleep for the same mat together. You don't just neglect them because somebody tell you say na tradition. You don't just start to create hate. Now so that this do this hate, when this hate come big, come mighty, come get branches. It can't get branches. You know why not to blame this my beautiful mother? It get age where you will reach. It get age where you will reach, where you will convince yourself. Say what you know, nah re. That make me not to day upset with her. But when I watched the video, that is, I was pissed. I was. The problem wasn't with her. The problem was she was a woman. The problem wasn't not because she did talk like that. The problem come be say she don't test Western world. She has, before you can't get passport for Western world, not be ordinary 5 years you don't spend. So if you cannot pick the good things and teach your people home, you don't learn anything. Money not be anything because nothing go with you the day where you will go. Nothing will carry follow body. Even the passports, you know, go carry and follow body. What you will carry follow body now? Your good hearts and people will use your good hearts to change from the way they feel they think. People will use your platform, people will use your love to show love. Now go count that day. I hope I've been able to make my point. This is the massive truth. Thanks for the time. If you have any question to ask me, if you get any question to ask me, or you want to talk to me personally, just inbox me for my Facebook page, Sophie Universe. See, I come your way next time. I really do appreciate. Let's communicate. Let's talk. When you see something where not they bright to you, or you see something where no good, always check and see what's good from mommy. Bring them out so that you feel and teach other people. Something don't say, no make them right. Thanks for the time. See, I come your way next time.